Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, when I remember that guy we come the misbehave to a mama, we come the scatter things for house. They scatter so many things. We say mama nobody really know what happen when they say they scatter things that Shidara be name. We on the scatter things, they destroy everywhere. Say the verse for mama, I say the way mama talk to Rami not like him, you know. So you know, so many people come they insult the boy. They say don't go, you not go to spoil your pikin, you not go to do this, you know. So the boy can finally see many videos. So many people don't do a bad time. They insult him. They saying a stubborn boy. And they talk to him, mama anyhow, this, that. So now the boy can't talk for young Instagram. So now the boy can't talk. Say, he not be like that before. Because why I want to do this video, when I come here, what did the boy talk? What did the boy write for a war? And then I can know say some mothers we too. I want to see there our body really. Because who to blame now if you not hear this boy story? He say in that day with his mama, like his mama. So he not go feel the disrespect his mama like that. But his mama na person will be say, if you just talk small thing, his mama na beat him. His mama na person will be say, you know they even use mouth to talk. Any small thing. Now she too dey harsh. He just dey abusing home ever since. You know they feel talk in the field. You be like say all the family they against them. The way they treat them for the house is not good. So now he make that day. As his mama he wants to talk to his mama again. His mama no want. He say me mama give him a passport. His mama no want give him. So instead when mama for talk to her, calm way, say mama begin the chat for him. Mama able start to the evil they eat him, you know. So now he make it because say waiting him go do this woman. Now he start to call the do all those things when he can they do. Say he be not be like that. You know a person will be saying for in go the disrespect a mama like that before. You see, but now the way your mama say they do him for house. The way mama tell they do for us, man they do like say na he even born him. He say mama they treat him bad. His siblings, you know. He talk so many things. So I can't say fit for him, you know, but because you know African people now, our own are beating. We know they use mouth talk. Our own any small thing are beating. We not go say I will see even use mouth say advice our pikin. No. Many small thing now beating. Now we believe say now only that one I pick it the year word. But we they get her wrong in a way. We they get her wrong. Not be only beating. Not be only beating. Eh? Not be only beating. See what did this boy talk now? Say no, he not just be like that before. Now the way we mama to the treat her for house. Now he make him can't change, he can't be like that day. Say he be not be like that. He not go feel insult his mama. He say right now, he don't come up for the house. He don't change his SIM card. You know why I able did that family again. I say that one is not come good. No matter what, now still your mama. You have to forgive your mama. Cause now what he can talk, saying he don't come up for the house. He don't want to stay the house again. He don't change his SIM card. He don't change his name. He don't want to make it even the bear that name again as that family, you know. So that one it can't shocktalize me. That one it can't do somehow say you can't just leave your mama like that all because of say your mom they ash to you. My people, what is this decision with this boy take now good thing or na bad thing, my people? If na bad thing, more than leave on a comment for the comment section because I want really see an opinion for this thing because the thing surprised me. For what did this boy talk? It surprised me. Say he want change his name. He don't want come from that family again at all. He say they don't like him. I say Now don't see where person mama no go like you picking. I never heard that one before. I never ever see that one before. Say your own picking, you don't go like him. You say mama no like him. Say mama no like him. According to another person, when see talk, we don't go show who he be. He say he know the way, when he know the Shidara, he know the family well. He say na truth, Shidara they talk. Say the way mama take the treat are not good. According to another person, weakness. Say na truth, na Shidara they talk. Say Shidara not the lie. So una believe this story. Say na truth, this boy they real talk. Who to blame now? Are you going to blame the mother or you blame the boy? Because the thing they surprise me. I know say we mothers, we too the quick to beat our pikin. We know they even use mouth talk. There are some things where be say you see use mouth they talk. Not be every time beating. And this multi go ba. Why not just to the beat? We not go even say we even use mouth to advise our pikin. Who see they use mouth, they advise. Not be everything are beating. We too believe on beating. I'm not saying nobody one of the beating pikin, but at least there is a limit. We too believe on say we not go use mouth to advise. That the apple for this boy so. Say mama na person we be say get or temper, we be say no they feel calm down. Any small thing, no they even want to use mouth. I know say so many women would they do that thing well, and we really need to change. We really need to change. Really. I beg my people. We will change for our attitude. We will change for what we they do. You're not good. You're not good at all. You can imagine what this small boy they pass through for your own. Who to blame now? Are you going to blame the mother or you blame the boy? My people. Are you going to blame the mother or you will blame the boy? My people, who to blame? So mothers are big. I just come advise our we mothers because they can't myself join them more because we too believe on beating. We too believe say na only beating and we go take advice. We too believe say we don't go feel even like sit our pikin make we advise them. We too believe on beating. We too believe say you must beat your pikin and you go take your word. Because that's so our mama, that's so they train us that time. But this time, Europe pikin, they don't believe on beating no. Because you get where you take do them. If you even go report you for school. That's why they see many kids where be say for school, they'll say they don't collect them. Because they don't go talk for school, say, mama, they beat them. And you not go want to defend yourself, say not lie. But they don't go say, learn. It can be all you wake. You understand? So maybe we try, maybe they advise our pikin. Not be everything be beating. Not be everything that they use beating they do. Not be everything you will be more than you know say you get all temper. I beg, calm your temper, one year. So that me you don't go use the people body, they do what you're not supposed to do. Now little this Shidara Oma. Shidara saying no come back to the house again. You don't go. So now the decision with Shidara take now go thing on a bad thing. Leave your comments. I want to see your opinion for this matter. I want to see your opinion. I know say now your mother. No, your mother need to talk to you. But there is a limit where we say pikin go fit take from your mother. You understand? So you mother, you still have to tolerate your pikin too. Yeah. You still have to tolerate. So now what is Shidara talk? Even eye weakness, the same thing that wants to talk. Say the mother, the way they all of them they do Shidara for the house is not good. My question comes with this. Now your mama before. Now what did he talk? Say now your mama. So what you come make a mama now to do a picking like that, and that part, I may I not understand. So you can leave your opinion, so we will know whether you disagree for this decision which Chidera take, or a mother. Who to blame? Who to blame for Chidera and the mother? Thank you, everybody. Take care. Till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you are not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye. And thumbs up and share my video. Please always share my video. And if you listen from the starting to the ending. Thank you. Bye.